All right, so we've been looking at a lot of graphs and tables. We haven't been doing a lot of stuff with the algebraic expressions for a function. All right, but that's kind of what the next 3 videos are going to cover. So next we're going to look at the basic limit properties. All right, so these properties may seem obvious, but they're kind of the basis for everything we have to do algebraically to start out solving limits. All right, so it's going to be a real short video. We're just going to learn 2 properties. All right, the first one being if our f of x function is just the identity function x, then as my x value gets close to a, my outputs get close to a. That makes sense because anything I put in, I just get back out. All right, so this is the first thing. If you just have a single x in your limit, whatever your value you're getting close to is also the value you're going to get out. The next one, if we have a constant function, so our function itself is just any number, like this is just like y equals 2, y equals 4. All right, all these are just constant functions. No matter what, I get out this constant number. All right. If I get close to some number, I'm just going to get out the constant because it doesn't matter what I plug in. I'm just going to get out that constant number. All right, so again, there's really only 2 things from these videos. Just make sure you have those 2 things written down, and then we'll start using them more once we start doing more algebra with these limits.